Welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel. If you guys clicked on this video, it is going to be based on my Motordyne exhaust for my G35. But if this is your first time clicking on my channel, my name's Dylan. I own this 2004 G35, a 6-speed manual. If you guys missed my video, I posted last, I did install bucket seats, so you guys don't want to miss that out. I ended up getting the exhaust in a couple days ago. I want to show you guys me installing it, me doing revs, and then I'm going to do some flybys. But I want to talk about this exhaust real quick. Motordyne is the best exhaust on the market for any VQs. So if you guys own a car like this, like a G35, a Nissan 350Z, this is the best exhaust on the market, no doubt about it. But this exhaust is crazy, man. It's definitely worth your money. There's definitely some replicas out there. They don't sound anything like the Motordyne itself. So I hope you guys stay tuned for the whole video and like and comment. I'm really trying to grow this channel of my G35. So if you guys want to support me, like and comment on this video, it'd really mean a lot. Let's get right into it, guys. guys liked all those clips, but before I shut off this video, I wanted to mention a couple things. If you guys get this exhaust for yourself, I'm gonna leave a link in the description on how to install it. I also wanted to give a huge shout out to Motordyne G35 on YouTube. His whole channel is pretty much based on this exhaust, so if you guys want to check him out and do a deeper vibe, definitely do that. But with my experience so far, I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10, honestly. It sounds great from in cabin, it sounds great from the outside. It only took me honestly about 2 hours to install this exhaust, like an hour to take off my stock one, an hour to put this guy on. But honestly, it sounds so good. I'm having a blast with it. So if you guys do have a VQ, this is the way to go. Definitely get this Motordyne exhaust. I am gonna end up getting the test pipes. Those are illegal in California, as some of you guys may know. So I'm gonna end up trying to figure out a way to get those. So that'll be a whole separate video itself. But like I said in the beginning, I'm trying to grow this channel. So if you guys could leave a like and comment on the video right now, it would mean a lot. And stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.